Hello, uh, this JavaScript is made to allow you to pre-fill fields in the magic funnels. You know, in Builderall, what is magic funnel is a form that you put first name, email, password, and that enables you to open free trial, 7 days free trial of Builderall. And when you put them like this on a Builderall page, it's empty. So this JavaScript enables you to pre-fill those fields with what you want. For instance, if you want to pre-fill the email field with the email of the person you send to this page, you know, so that it's pre-filled. For instance, with your email autoresponder, you can put their email to each subscribers, so when they come to the page, their email is already written in the form. So you take this JavaScript and you put it. You have two choices. You can put it in page settings or layout settings. If you put it in layout settings, it will be on all the pages of your layout. But don't worry, because even if you don't have a magic funnel on a page, this JavaScript will not slow down your page. It is only active when there are arguments in the URL. So you see, if you want to put in a layout, you click here on the gear and you put it at the bottom of the options in the script. When you paste your script, so here you put it here. When you paste it, you keep the opening script and closing script tags. You know, you take the script, copy and paste all in one. Don't remove anything. And so for pages, it's the same. You can go to the page option and you can paste it in the script. Don't use HTML app. You know, here you have apps HTML. Don't use this, because HTML apps is a bit special. It will not work. So to sum it up, it will not work this way. You need to put it in the settings of the page or the layout, and then you will be able to change, to pre-fill the fields of anything: the name, email, even the password, the AID, your affiliate ID, and Origem, the source to the tracking. You can modify all this. So this is useful for what I told you, to pre-fill the email address of your email autoresponder subscribers, but also it can be useful if you want to do a page with a magic funnel for your own customers, you know, the one who have the Builderall business plan, because they can then use your page and just put in the URL question mark AID equals and their affiliate ID, and then your page, the form on your page, will work for them when they send people to your page with their affiliate ID in the URL, and the form will work for them. They will open new accounts under them. Same for Origem, the source. You can send traffic, at least, you know, you can send traffic to your one page and change the origin. So for instance, you can put a link on your YouTube video and another link on your Facebook post, and you just change in the URL origin equals or cadastro underscore origin equals, and you can put something else. So after you can know which source of traffic converts the best for a same page. So try it, that's it, bye bye.